Tire Light Assemblies are a popular aftermarket modification for car enthusiasts looking to add a unique touch to their ride. These assemblies consist of LED lights that attach to the rim of the tire, producing a stunning light show as the wheels spin. They come in a variety of colors and patterns, and can be easily installed by anyone with basic knowledge of wiring. Not only do tire light assemblies enhance the aesthetics of a vehicle, but they also increase visibility at night, making them a practical safety feature as well. 1. Sando LED wheel ring lights. A Bluetooth control box, screws and accessories, and an installation manual. These lights are made of high-quality SMD 5050 LED chips, providing excellent illumination for your car's tires during night driving. You can control the light's color, brightness, and flash speeds wirelessly with the BLEDIM app on your phone, which is available in both the Apple App Store and Google Play. 2. SafeGo wheel lights with remote. The SafeGo 15.5 wheel lights are the perfect way to revolutionize the look of your car or truck with its powerful LED lighting and innovative lighting effects. With the ability to be controlled by remote and Bluetooth app at the same time, it's never been more convenient to operate. These RGB LED wheel ring lights can be installed directly to the dust shield or hub assembly and come with the latest brake lights and turn signal amber features. 3. GoGo One LED wheel ring light kit. It features signal lights and brake lights for added safety, and its IP67 waterproof rating ensures that it can withstand bad weather. The kit is easy to install and is suitable for 21 inches or larger hub diameter and 15 inches or smaller brake disc assembly diameter. Compatible with various car models, it provides a unique and innovative lighting effect that can change the look and feel of your car or truck. 4. Tasfeli RGB LED wheel lights kit. The Tasfeli RGB LED wheel lights kit for cars and trucks includes 4 waterproof and durable 15.5 inches LED strips that can be installed directly to the dust shield or hub assembly. The lights can be controlled wirelessly using both remote and Bluetooth app, allowing you to adjust color, brightness, and flash speeds. The LED wheel lights have dancing and chasing color and can be customized to your preference. 5. LED Tops car tire wheel lights. The LEADTOPS car tire wheel lights are a set of 4 solar-powered LED lights that can be easily installed on the tire valve of a car, motorcycle, or bicycle. The lights automatically turn on when the vehicle is in motion and turn off when it stops, increasing visibility and safety during night or bad weather conditions. Additionally, the lights are waterproof and display when the wheel is rotating. 6. Otomo LED Flow Wheel Ring Lights. Otomo LED Flow Wheel Ring Lights are a great way to showcase your car's wheels. These double-row 576 LEDs double chaser dancing million-color wheel rings install directly on your wheels and feature dream color light strips that are IP67 waterproof rated. The wheel lights are wired to connect to your vehicle's brake and turn signal lights and come with a dual control box that features 20 strobe solid colors and 300 modes. The aluminum wheel rings are rust-resistant and heavy-duty, but installation requires time and effort.